morning. I'm Rolf Jensen, president of Jensen Tactical. This morning I want to introduce the product line of gloves that Torraka offers in multiple different categories regarding cold weather shooting gloves down to extreme cold weather mittens. The key to know is that all of these gloves are made by the company Hestra, but they're specifically made for Torraka because they use the Torraka camouflage prints and with Torraka's approval and registered trademark. So starting off with the most popular glove is a 3-finger glove that's the RF 3-finger. This is for extreme cold weather, but it also allows you dexterity with an index finger to negotiate or operate weapons. So the keys to this is you have a shell backing to the glove with a leather palm, leather around the fingertips so that it's not going to wear through, over the top of them as well. You also have a tie-down loop over the index finger. On the wrist, you have a sewn elastic piece to keep it tied around the wrist. At the very top, you have a draw cord that you can tighten to cinch it up around your sleeve. At the very end, you have a very durable, heavy-duty eyelet. You have a strap to tie it off to your jacket so you can throw your gloves off and manipulate whatever you might need to manipulate without having to put your gloves down or have them leave your body. And then they come with a small snap link that you then attach both gloves together through that eyelet, and that way you can keep them together. The key to this glove, though, is the liner. The liner is an all-wool liner that comes with a 5-finger liner that allows you to maintain good insulation while you're wearing the glove. I've actually worn these gloves at -40 degrees Fahrenheit, riding a snowmobile at 30 miles an hour, and I had no issue with hand warmth. Moving on to the next extreme cold weather glove is the mitten. The mitten has a shell backing with a leather palm. Also has an elastic sewn piece around the wrist and a draw cord at the very top so you can put it around the sleeves of your jacket. It too has a durable eyelet with a snap link. It also comes with instructions for how to maintain the leather, and this is for all the gloves that have this, and it comes with a leather balm that you add to the leather to keep it from cracking or drying out. This too has a liner that is all wool and is in the style of a mitten, so all fingers are together in there, all wool liner, and then it's got Velcro all the way around to keep it inside there. But you can remove it, you can get extra liners, and you can have that so if you need to wash them or change them out. The next glove in that order is the RF 5-finger glove. This too is your similar glove that has a wool liner, 5-finger liner, a leather palm, a drawstring around the upper part so that it goes around your jacket sleeve. It too has the same style heavy-duty eyelet with a leather. It comes with the leather balm, instructions, and these are meant for temperatures down to approximately -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Whereas both of the other two gloves, the 3-finger RF, the RF 3-finger glove and the mitten, are both meant for temperatures down to -50 degrees Fahrenheit. So additional things that help keep people warm is a wrist warmer. The reason why wrist warmers are great is you can wear them with the other gloves. If you need to take a glove off where you have dexterity, you still have warmth around the palm and the back of your hand while you might have to manipulate or use your fingers for something. Additionally, you have a set of gloves that are much more like glove liners. They have a leather palm and leather over the index finger, but they are meant to add additional warmth to any other glove system. And but they can also be worn individually. Last two sets we have are cold weather shooting gloves, approximately down to -20 degrees, depending on your activity level. Again, these are made by Hestra with a strap around the wrist, a Velcro closure, leather palm, soft material on the back. They have a fleece lining inside of them, but these are great because they still maintain the dexterity, right? So they're very rugged, but they also allow you to have that ability to function with weapons. And last is a little less protective in the cold weather. It has a liner, so they have good dexterity, still maintain the warmth. Leather palm, you have an extra reinforced area here over the index finger, a soft material on the back side, and then tightens around the wrist here with the Velcro strap. That's the set of gloves that Torraka provides for protection of your hands. If you have any questions about these products, please contact me at jensentactical.com.